What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Always occupied. I want to say this is not a bad car. This is a Dodge Avenger. Now, before this car landed in this garage, this car was given to my father-in-law, and I think my not son-in-law, what the heck am I talking about? My father-in-law and my nephew. So this car was given, and the reason why was they said they had an oil leak. So when it comes to an oil leak, of course, you have to examine the car. So here is what we found out what happened. All right, so right here you have the beauty cover, the cover that goes on top of the car, right? So if you turn it around, you see that the oil was burning. So you have a valve cover. Now, every valve cover has a valve cover gasket. The valve cover gasket was cracked. You see that? And the way this engine is designed, I don't know if you could tell from here, but the engine is going in an angle going like downwards to the back of the engine bay. That's how this engine is designed. I don't know why it's designed like that, but that's just the way it is. And let me move this real quick. Now, I'm gonna turn y'all around so y'all can see this a little bit better. Okay, you guys, so you see right here, so the crack was here, and guess where oil was going? Oil was running off right here, right there on the manifold cover. And it was burning, and oil is still dripping down there, and it's like a pool of oil. I'll show y'all in a little bit on top of the transmission. So the only problem here was a cracked gasket, a cracked valve cover gasket. So like I said, these valve covers have gaskets that goes around here that seals the oil that goes through the valves right there. So with that being said, this is not a bad car for a donation. And like I said, this is a Dodge Avenger. The Avenger is not really the popular car. You know, everybody wants the Challenger, everybody wants the Charger, but nobody actually looks at the Avenger. Again, let's look at this. This is a four cylinders. You have four spark plugs. Spark plugs are right there. 4 coils, easy to work on. This is almost as easy as a Toyota Camry or Corolla. Look how much engine space you have here. You have enough engine space to stick your foot in there. You have enough engine space back here to stick your hand back here. You could actually put both arms down, arm over here, arm over. You could actually hug your engine. This is an easy to work on engine. There you got the alternator, the water pump, and all that stuff over this side. I actually like this engine. I did not know that this engine would be this simple. I thought it would be a little bit more complicated than that, but I got to give it to them. This is okay. But like I said, the engine is on a slope. The crack was here, so of course, all the oil will run off down that way. Why they designed it like that, I don't know. That's just the way the engineers wanted to design it. Okay, let's look on the inside. Okay, you guys, so this is a basic model. I think this is a 2012, and I can honestly say this is very roomy. If you're looking for something roomy for your kid or something, this is pretty okay. Not too much wrong with it. You know, you got the regular CD player, but of course you can upgrade that, you know, because I don't know if anybody have CDs anymore. Okay, so we working our way into the back, and it looked like, I don't know what this is, but it looked like they had acid back here. Something back here. It looked like acid. But acid ran. It looked like, it don't look burnt. It just look, I don't know. But anyways, we could probably find something from the junkyard and switch the bucket seats out of here. Yeah, and I think black is common color anyway. So, I mean, other than that, tap it twice, it opens the trunk, and the trunk is very roomy. This is very roomy, very, very, very roomy. Okay, you guys, so like I said, you can't beat this. A free car because somebody says it's a problem, it's an oil problem. Maybe the oil problem may not be as serious as you think it is. Remember, you have to do maintenance on your car. If you watched this channel before, you see my videos. I'll even post them in the description that I do. You know, I am not a mechanic, but I do work on my cars. So you should change your valve cover gasket. Maybe every 30,000 miles is a valve cover gasket. If you DIYer, you know, you kind of don't want to wait until something like that breaks. And then if you wait till something like that breaks, you will have oil leaks and you will be in trouble. So other than that, just wanted to, you know, show y'all that real quick. So what can I say? That's a product, you know, product review, kind of. But just wanted to show y'all that real quick. You know, maybe somebody might be getting rid of their car because they're having an oil problem. Look into it, lowball them if you can. And you can get yourself, you know, spend a couple $100. You have yourself a nice car. And that's it with that. Like, comment, and subscribe. I have some more videos coming. I was just occupied with helping my father-in-law today, trying to figure this car out. But it has a couple more issues, but they're minor issues. So stay tuned and I'll get back with y'all in the next video. Okay, you guys, it started, it's on, everything has been changed. My father-in-law changed all this for his son, his grandson, not son. My father-in-law changed the valve. He getting the valve cover gasket. Right now he's going to get the knock sensors and all this stuff that's coming up on the check engine lights. So yeah, right now he ordered the knock sensor and everything he needs to get this thing to pass inspection, and that will be it. A free car for my nephew. And yeah, this is amazing. It's pretty quiet. Don't seem like nothing wrong. It seems like it's been in an accident, a little accident, like right here in the front, right there. Don't seem like the hood want to go down all the way. Maybe that's due to the fender, but I mean, what can you complain about if it's a free car, right? So free car. All right, y'all. I'll give y'all some more updates if the car is still around. Catch y'all on the next video.